Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to make this beautiful, simple and classic baby blanket stitch that's called granny strip stitch. I made this pattern with 3 colors of yarn, but you can make it with several yarns or even with 2 yarns. But if you make that with 2 yarns, you have to cut the yarn at end of each row and start next row with another yarn. I made this pattern with a worsted weight yarn and 5mm hook. You can use any yarn and any hook size you want. If you're ready, let's get started. Start my work with first yarn and make a slip knot, then chain a multiple of 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And continue this work and make groups of 3 chains until reach the desired size, and at the end add 2 chains. I made 32 chains totally, and now start row 1 from second chain. Skip the first chain, go to the second chain and insert the hook into that, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2, make 1 single crochet into second chain, and then go to next chain and make 1 single crochet into that, 1 single crochet into next chain, and continue until the end. You have to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. I'm at the end of row 1 and make last stitch, but don't complete that. And grab next yarn and complete the last stitch with second yarn and make a chain. Now start row 2 with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and turn the work. And make 1 double crochet into first stitch here. And after that, skip next 2 stitches and go to the third stitch, 1, 2, 3 here, and make 3 double crochet here, 1, 2, and 3. Again, skip 1, 2 stitch and go to the next stitch and make 3 double crochet into that, 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1, 2, and make 3 stitch into next stitch. One, 2, go to the third stitch and make 3 double crochet into that, and continue this work until the end of the row. At the end of row 2, skip next 2 stitches and make 2 double crochet into last stitch, 1 and 2, but don't complete the last stitch. And grab the third yarn and complete that with this yarn. Make a chain to secure that. Now I have 2 double crochet at the end and 2 double crochet at the beginning, and groups of 3 double crochet at the middle of the row. Make 3 chains and turn the work to start row 3. In this row, we have to make groups of 3 double crochet into these spaces between each group of previous row, and the first group is made here after these 2 double crochets and before these 3, 1 and 2 and 3, and the next group is made into next space between next 2 groups of previous row, 1, 2, and 3. Repeat that. Go to next space between next 2 groups and make 3 doubles here. And continue this work and make groups of 3 double crochet between each 2 groups of previous row. The last group of This row is made here into last space between this group of 3 doubles and the last group of 2 doubles. 1, 2, and 3. And now go to last stitch, that's turning chains here, and make 1 double crochet into that, only 1, such as the beginning of the row. But don't complete this stitch. Grab the first yarn and pull it through to complete the last stitch, and then make a chain. Okay, now make 3 chain, turn the work to start row 4. This 3 chain counts as first double crochet, and I make 1 double crochet into same stitch. And now go to this space. We don't make group of 3 double crochets before the first group of previous row here. Okay, between this 1 double crochet and this group, don't make any group. Skip that and go to next space here and make 3 double crochet into that. 1, 2, and 3. Go to next space, make 3 doubles into that. 1, 2, and 3. And continue that and make 3 double into each space until the end of the row. The last group of row 4 is made here, before the last group of previous row. 1, 2, and 3. Don't make any group after the last group of previous row here, between this group and this chain 3, okay? And we have to make 2 double into third chain of turning chains of previous row. 1 double and another double crochet into same chain, but don't complete the last double. Grab the second yarn and pull it through to complete the last stitch, and then chain 1. Now we have 2 double crochet at the end of this row, such as the beginning, and then make 3 chains and turn the work. And we have to repeat row 3. Go to this space between this group of 2 double and next group of 3 double, make 3 double crochet here, and make 3 double crochet into each space until the end of the row. And at the end, make 1 group of 3 doubles into this last space between this last group of 3 doubles and this group of 2 doubles. And then go to third chain of these 3 chains of beginning of previous row and make 1 double into that. Only 1 double crochet, such as the beginning of the row. Don't complete that, and grab the third yarn again and pull it through to complete the last stitch and make a chain. And after that, we have to repeat row 4. Start the row with 3 chains as first double crochet and turn the work and make another double crochet into same stitch. And don't make any group between these first double crochet and first group of previous row. Skip that and go to next space and make 3 doubles here. 1, 2, and 3. And make next groups into next spaces between each 2 group of previous row until the end. And at the end, don't make any group after the last group of previous row, and go to third chain of beginning chains of previous row, make 2 doubles here. 1 and 2, but don't complete the last stitch, and grab the first yarn again and pull it through and make a chain. And then we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 3 and row 4 several times. And at each repeat of row 3, we make 1 double at the beginning and 1 double at the end. And in each repeat of row 4, we make 2 doubles at the beginning and 2 doubles at the end of the row, and repeat this work several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. This is my pattern at the end, and you can see that's so easy and so beautiful. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.